Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. I'm here in City. I'm gonna watch a movie, The Accountant 2. But you know what? I haven't seen the first one. I don't have any idea for this one. But I've seen the trailer. It's some kind of an action-packed. But what I'm trying to say is, I don't know the story about the first one. Although I knew it years ago, but wasn't able to catch it up during that time. But I think this is more lots of action scenes, and I think this is a kind of adrenaline rush. And before I forgot, thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother and Bico Fe Abordo, to all my silent subscribers out there, to Helen Careto of San Roque, Legazpi City, Purukdos, my childhood friend, to all my Facebook viewers also, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my 11 lovely countries: Philippines, of course, United States, Indonesia, Canada, India, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, Mexico, and China. Thank you so much for browsing my channel, and just keep on browsing it. Okay, feel it, love it, enjoy it, embrace it, and share it. Okay, here we are. The countdown to high level. Yeah. Guys, we still have 7 more minutes.
Light na available.
Oo, high level. Oh my gosh, I think that one, yeah.
8.
Mm-mm. Can you do a sponsor? Can you make a sponsor?
Hindi po.
How about discount? Discount.
Patingin na lang po ng card.
What kind of ID?
Ano pong discount?
Special discount?
PWD?
No, oh my gosh, wrong. Eh, wala akong special discount.
Wala po.
So, she doesn't have. Anyway, it's okay.
390.
Oh, wow, it's some kind of cheaper. I thought it's some kind of 400 something. It's because it's not Atmos. That's why. Anyway. So here it is. What I'm thinking about this movie, aside from what I told you a while ago, this is a mind-blowing, I guess.
110.
And
Cinema 70. Thank you.
lots of questions while the movie is running. You will keep you frightened, and how I wish that this is good. This is like some kind of the one that I've seen the other day, which is the Amateur. The fear is in your mind. So let's go now. Bye for now.